Welcome back, YouTubers. Today is an exciting day because we finally get to start stripping the donor car, the version 8 EJ207. We're going to start stripping that down. You guys are super excited, aren't you, boys?
Yeah.
Can't you just tell? And let's get to it.
Part 1 of stripping a car.
The Eagle has landed. Yeah, then press it. That's it. Press it. Press it. That's it. Well done.
Look at these cool brakes on this car. They're cool. These brakes are so huge. That's one reason why it's good. Second reason is because it's got like also a huge brake and it's gold as well.
Yeah.
Look at this huge exhaust. Look at me compared to it. It's bigger than my head.
I don't think it's bigger than your head.
How much smoke can come out of that?
It's bigger. Let's see.
It's bigger than my hand nearly.
Yeah, nearly bigger than
Look
my
at all the
hand.
firework could just go yeet. Even look at the interior, guys.
How did it feel?
Feels like I'm Ken Block or something.
Nice.
Like responsibly removing fluids, not just chucking them down a drain, guys.
Guys, just look how empty it is in the donor car now. It's really empty.
I mean, this really is the magic of Subaru. This car's been parked forever and it's like still got gas in the aircon system.
car in 15 seconds.